Today is the day I'm gonna catch a fish. I attempted fly fishing about a week ago, and today I'm gonna catch a fish. I'm still learning how to fly fish. I've never caught a fish on the fly. The leaves are getting yellow? Yeah. My turn. Why? I don't know. Because it's turning to fall. I'm dropping off my daughter at day home. No distractions. I'm gonna catch a fish. Can I get a one burrito combo? Thank you. Hey, whereabouts are you?
I'm at the very end.
Wow. I'm very fortunate that my wife lets me go out and fish whenever I want. So in return, I'm gonna bring her something back. Hopefully. This will be my second time actually ever using this rod, so let's see what we can get into.
Welcome to the Revalos. Name is Francis. Revalos.
Any luck? You been catching? Oh really?
Oh yeah.
The hopper that what's his name gave me? Kevin, yeah. Dude, it broke off inside my tube. How long have you been here?
Since 7.
I want to have a recording of my first catch on the fly. There's people floating. Well, kayaking, canoeing.
Let me know when you're ready and I'll teach you.
Alright brother, teach me.
No. You want to just mend it once?
Yeah. And just let her go.
That was a fish. So once,
Are you serious?
once you see that indicator drop really
Fast? Yeah.
that's when you want to set the hook. Or it's wanting to go down, you want to set it as well. So pretty much your hook will be sitting right on the bottom or just bouncing off the bottom.
And they'll pick it off the bottom?
Yeah.
So I just listened to what Jonathan had to say and applied it to how I casted. Mend once, let her float. Go easy on me. I'm still learning how to use this rod. Well, fly fishing for that matter. Oh, yes! Are you serious? Oh no, I got unhooked. Dang it. Ah. Jonathan then proceeded to tell me that I should set the hook a little bit harder and that he was going to catch that fish. I'm not 100% sure that this is the same fish, but regardless, that's pretty cool. How big is it? Nice, dude. Jonathan kept that one for eating, and then right away we got right back into it.
If you wanted it to go farther,
Yeah.
like hold your line upwards like this, like a bow and arrow.
This is probably the single best piece of advice I've gotten fly fishing, which is hold it like a bow and arrow. Don't hold your line. Thanks, Jonathan. This helped a lot. I would say that Jonathan is lucky, but he's really smart about how he fishes. So much so that I'm so adamant on catching fish that I get into his spot after he hook sets. Here, fishy, fishy, coming but my line. I wanna prove that I'm not just dumb. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on, bite my line. I'll give you $1. Seriously? Alright, Jnaps says he's catching these by fluke. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna attempt to catch these by fluke. He just lost one? F off. Crazy. Whoa. Like Jonathan said, bow and arrow, cast, mend once, wait for the drift. Like I said earlier, today's the day. I'm gonna catch a fish. I hope I hook set him good. Keep tension on the line. Reel. Up to this point, I had a vague idea of what to do. So I just mimicked and I started walking the fish back to the shore. There he is. This is my first whitefish. Nice. Alright, not gonna lie, that was probably one of the coolest feelings ever. We're gonna go try that again. Well, I definitely tried catching another fish. We spent a few more hours there. I got a lot of tangles on my doubled nymph, and yeah, no avail. Well, I definitely have fish to take home to my family. Thank you, Jnaps over there, for hooking me up. I like the deal that he made with me about coffee and getting me on some fish.
That's the way how it should be.
100%. We'll get him a big breakfast though one of these days. Well, that was fun, finally getting on some fish and being able to catch something on my fly rod. So yeah, we're headed home and we'll catch you guys on the next one. If you guys liked that video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you like content just like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon for more notifications from the Revalos. Thank you guys for watching.